Perhaps despite appearances, I like you very much.
Apart from the smoking and the drinking and the vulgar mother and the verbal diarrhea.
No, I like you very much. Just as you are.
Mark, we really...
Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I will show a loving couple who stood up to Nazi occupation in Warsaw, Poland, in 1944. This is a loving couple from the Polish resistance. It was built using spares. Let's talk a little about the Warsaw Uprising in 1944. The Warsaw Uprising, shortly after the war also known as the August Uprising, was a major World War II operation by the Polish underground resistance to liberate Warsaw from German occupation. It occurred in the summer of 1944, and it was led by the Polish Resistance Home Army. The uprising began on 1 August 1944 as part of a nationwide Operation Tempest, launched at the time of the Soviet Lublin-Brest offensive. The main Polish objectives were to drive the Germans out of Warsaw while helping the Allies defeat Germany. An additional, political goal of the Polish underground state was to liberate Poland's capital and Osset Polish. The uprising was timed to coincide with the retreat of the German forces from Poland ahead of the Soviet advance. While approaching the eastern suburbs of the city, the Red Army halted combat operations, enabling the Germans to regroup and defeat the Polish resistance and to destroy the city in retaliation. But this is history. Let's get back to the custom macho dolls made in China. These figures represent a couple posing for photography. The Polish resistance used uniforms, equipment and weapons captured from the Germans but maintained as much as possible the identification of the Polish flag using the colors white and red, as you can see in the figures on the helmets and on the right arms. The guy is Elite Force BBI, World War II British Army Commando, Lieutenant Peter Keys. I don't have the uniform and complete equipment, so that's how it is at the moment. The girl is Elsa Kleber, DRK nurse, Russia 1942 from the manufacturer Dragon. I already had it complete except the box, but I sold its nurse uniform to a collector friend. So do you like it? Do you have any questions? Go ahead and comment. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.